In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 printer offline. If your printer says it's offline, even though it's turned on and connected, Windows is likely holding print jobs in a special mode. We'll walk through the exact settings to bring it back online and make sure your documents go to the right place every time. Start by opening the Windows Start menu and going into Settings. In the Settings window, choose Bluetooth and Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. This is where Windows lists every printer your PC knows about and lets you manage their behavior. Find and select the printer that's showing as offline. Make sure you're picking the correct one if you see multiple printers with similar names. On the Printers page, click Open Print Queue. The Print Queue window shows any pending documents waiting to print and gives you controls for the printer's status. At the top of this queue window, click the Printer menu. If Use Printer Offline is checked, uncheck it. That setting is designed for special cases where you want Windows to hold jobs without contacting the device. When it's on by mistake, Windows will treat your printer as disconnected. Turning it off lets the system talk to the printer again. While you're still in the Printer menu, make sure Pause Printing is not checked. If it is, uncheck it. A paused queue prevents new and existing documents from printing, even when the printer is available. Once you unpause, any waiting jobs should resume. You can glance at the status bar in the queue window to confirm the change. If the queue had pending items, you may see them start moving to the printer. When you're done, close the queue window to return your focus to the Settings app. Back in Settings, select your printer again to open its details. Click Set as Default. Making it the default printer ensures Windows sends your print jobs to this device automatically, which helps avoid confusion if you have more than one printer installed. If you don't see the option, your printer may already be set as default or managed by Windows automatically. That's it. By turning off Use Printer Offline, unpausing the queue, and setting the printer as default, you've cleared the most common causes of the offline message in Windows 11. Give it a moment and try printing a test document from any app. If the print queue stays clear and the job completes, you're back in business. If the options were grayed out or controlled by your organization, you may need to contact your administrator, but for most home setups, these changes do the trick.